Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday stock analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Bajaj Financial. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything in this video with a live analysis clip. Okay, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and this trade was made without any indicators, and also we'll be doing the Nifty 50 analysis as well. Okay, so today this was the trade what I've taken on Bajaj Financial. So it was a buy around 1583. Okay, so this was the level what I marked in the morning, but as you guys can see, the trade was triggered somewhere after almost like 12 o'clock, almost close to 12 o'clock is where the trade was triggered. So once the trade triggered, you can see how the stock has performed. So 1583 somewhere it was a buy, and then the stock has gone and made a high of almost 1593. So almost 10 points up the stock has gone, and my target was almost like 8 to 10 points. And as you guys can see here, my target was achieved in few minutes of trading around 12:30, around 12:25 the target was achieved. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy without any indicators. So if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. And also you can just go inside my channel to watch the lot of educational videos and daily live trade analysis videos from last 5 years plus what I've uploaded on consistent basis. And once you see all that, and if you're interested in making consistent profit from today in trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's quickly look at Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So if you guys can see, yes, the Nifty 50 was very bullish for the day. It has gone 1.76% up for the day, and it has broken some of our main resistance level, which was around 24838, and you can see in the morning itself 24596. Even this resistance level has given a breakout for the day. So this was some of our main resistance level from the last few days, and you can see that the support level of 24474, it has held very good for the day. And once it has given a breakout on all the resistance, the stock has gone up and closed above this main resistance level as well. Okay, so 24834 is where the market has closed for the day by giving a very big bullish momentum for the day. Okay, and now let's look at the main indices, how they have performed. So looking at the main sectoral indices, yes, almost all has closed in a green side for the day, but you can see here Nifty Metal has gone the most positive side for the day with 3.01% up, Nifty Pharma with 2.36% up, Nifty Healthcare with 2.73% up, and all others were in a normal side. So if you go to nifty50.com, the main homepage, you can see the overall statistics, and still there were three top losers for the day. ONGC, Nestle India and HDFC Bank were on a declining side for the day. Okay, so this is how the overall market has performed for the day, and this was the trade what I have done, and we were able to make a good trade today. Okay, so however the market performs, if you have a good trading strategy and a study, and if you follow it, you will be able to make a good trades. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done, and this is how the market has performed for the day. So yes, if you guys want to learn from me to do accurate trades like this and want to learn from me, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.